at that burger. Ano? Sige, pakita mo. What? Sige, ma'am.
So, try ko na.
Power! Nanababo ka balen, kumusta kayo po? Ako Luis Soning Hurin Pampanga. Ngayon po nga doon ngayon at yuta mo po kining Angeles City, particularly Koreatown. Kuri miya pong pakilala kaya kayo ngayon nga doon ngayon ining bayong restaurant. Lagyo na po is 101 Topwings. May gumpisaya po yung restaurant na ini keng Georgia, USA. May ka-branch siya po keng Korea. Until yung owner po mag-decide dyan na pakilala po kaya katamo. Excited kami po. Burgers, Phillies, wings. Tara, lawenta na lang. Every Sunday, it's their wings day. You get an additional 3 wings for every order. So actually, yung order is 7 pieces. This is their
Fresh pineapple juice.
fresh pineapple juice. Okay, so we also have
Cheese stick.
cheese sticks. Check that out. So feeling US tapa mo ngayon. Of course,
Feeling the USA.
atin lang po muna yung touch of Korean since Korean yung owner. Abayan nyo kami po.
와, 오빠 저 너무 오랜만이에요 이런데. 그쵸?
네. 아니 근데 들어도 아무튼 우리 밥 얼마나 잘 먹나?
오빠 근데 우리 여기 미크 온 것 같지?
원래-
I like cheeseburger. 우리 나은이 찌두부고 먹고 싶었어요.
많다 이거 진짜.
와 이건 더.
아 여기가
버팔로 윙, 버팔로 윙.
So tara, lugub tayo na. Hello! Thank you so much for being with us in this vlog. No? So ABMBA Ma'am Ann to, of course, explain with us further nung nanularetang sa serve da kayo mo yan. Tagalog ya, so tatagalog tayo ngayon, di ba? Tagalog siya, okay. Marunong pala siya. May itong na unique ikit ko kayo ni guys is their hand gloves.
Kaso finger gloves lang.
Wow, ayan, no? Somewhat, it's gonna be, what do you call, environmental friendly kasi may latila.
3 fingers.
3 fingers. Siyempre guys, maragul ko daliri. Na? At syuna mo kaya kayo makanano yung gamitan. 101 Topwings is open from what time, madam?
11 a.m. until 3
Until 3 a.m. Wow! So talagang late pala yung...
Minsan kasi may nagpapadeliver pa.
Yun. Yun, speaking of delivery, no, so they also do deliveries here in Angeles and Clark. Low as 600 pesos. The delivery is gonna be free. Tama. Okay, so enough with the talk, no?
Dahil 3 fingers lang siya, ito lang sa kanya.
Correct. Actually makes sense, di ba? Yun lang naman talagang ginagamit kapag ano eh, kumakain ng wings eh. It's really hot. It's really hot. I'm telling you guys, it's really hot. Good to say.
Guys, lemon pepper wings.
Some ingredients will be coming in local na, pero the sauce formulation na is originally from Georgia. Yan, ito yung pang maragulda po.
Yung sauce lang.
Oo. Mention ko binan din this restaurant started in Georgia. Yung first branch out niya is in Korea, which is we're gonna show the clip here. Yan, watch nyo. Yan. And then, yun, they ventured out here in the Philippines. And something din itang plano daw. So they'll be coming out in 3 months. Hopefully, you're gonna have your branch in Manila and mga iba-ibang malls pa. Ano. Lapit muna natin. Your piece, ma'am. Yeah, it's almost falling out. Sobrang cheese na. Guys, sobrang cheese. You also have your pickles, I think. Bell pepper, onion. What else? Yung ano? Sarap. So, when you eat here, dapat hindi kayong pa-demure. Parang expect to be, your plate to be messy. Yung bibig mo, yung parang oily, mga ganyan. So, dapat kumakain dito yung ano, cowboy. No? Kalog, mga ganyan. For sure, no, yung mga American guests nyo dito, they appreciate the authenticity, no?
What's the burger? Name.
Okay, get your piece, ma'am. Look at that burger. Ano? Sige, pwede mo. Sige, ma'am.
So, try ko na.
Power! Sarap! So here's my piece. Yeah, not that guys. Whoa. But to be honest, what I can say here is very distinct talaga yung mga sauce ninyo. No? Yun talaga yung ano eh. Yun yung may kick sa mga dishes. Yung sauce. So in it, you got bacon, tomato, lettuce, cheese, and of course itang patty.
Shrimp.
Shrimp! Ooh, oh, my shrimp! Wow.
Seafood kaya mo.
That's new, ah. That's new. Naman, man. Yung theme ng restaurant is actually American. Parang diner. Diner style. So, you get your old, wala mo Coca-Cola advertisement. Nino pa, Beatles.
Comic style.
Jack Daniels. Yeah, comic style wall. Bulldog, yeah. Stainless tables, red chairs, red sofa. Very American diner style. Fresh pineapple juice. Oh man, that one's really refreshing. Mira sa Korea ing restaurant na Mika Korean dishes na lang mo naman. So since sa Chutamo kayong Koreatown, we're gonna taste their rice vegetable. Yeah, rice vegetable. Vegetable fried rice, correct siya. Wow. We are finishing this up now, guys. We would like to thank you for watching our video. Again, 101 Topwings is located po kaning Friendship Highway, Koreatown. So they are open from 11 a.m. up until 3 a.m. the following day. And atin lang pong free delivery if you are near Clark or near Angeles City. Just a minimum of 600 pesos. You're gonna get these dishes right outside your door. So they're just knocking on your door. Na you don't need to leave the comfort of your home or in your office. They're just one phone call away. So, ito guys, if you're looking for an authentic American wings, buffalo, burger, Phillies, 101 Topwings is here for us to serve and enjoy. So, salamat po kay Pamela Be, and thank you Miss Anne for joining us for Big Sport as well. Yun guys, thank you for watching here in Pampanga until our next discovery.
Thank you.
Peace out.